Hi, Chef Todd here in Boulder Ridge Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Mediterranean breakfast omelet. It's a real nice dish to put out on a breakfast or brunch. Start off, we're going to go with again we have our Teflon pan. I'm going to add a little butter to the pan, and now we're going to start adding our ingredients. I'm going to take some chopped spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, chopped artichoke hearts. This is some chicken sausage. Stir it all together. I'm gonna add about four to five eggs that we've already beaten. Some salt and pepper. And we're gonna go ahead and start cooking it just as we would an omelet. As it starts to set, I'm going to go ahead and add a little sprinkle of oregano. Now you could just go ahead and bake this in the oven at this point. I'm going to go ahead and flip it like we would an omelet. But if you're not comfortable doing that, you can just go ahead and bake it. Now to this, I'm going to pull it off the heat for a sec. I'm going to add some provolone cheese and some shredded Parmesan cheese. Now you can use any cheese you like. If you'd like to put some goat cheese in there or some feta cheese, that would all be great. So now I'm going to go ahead, again, 400 degree oven for about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so our frittata has come out of the oven. We've got the cheese melted with just a little bit of browning. I'm going to go ahead and just slide it right out of the pan. And at this point, just go ahead and cut it into however many servings you'd like. And then we're just going to go ahead again and shingle them around the plate. So, really nice presentation for our Mediterranean brunch frittata.